Merry Christmas. Christmas 09. Two happy little children. Very hot here today, so this is their first swim in their paddling pool. Jaden's not sure, but he's getting a bit better. Hey, sit down. And Ayla's definitely our water baby. And we're going to have an argument. What are you saying, Ayla? Oh no, you're wetting me. Ah! Oh no! Jaden! Hi! Jaden! Where's Daddy? Yeah, Daddy! Where's Daddy? Just started saying Daddy. Where's Daddy? Late talker, aren't you, my boy? Daddy! Where's Mummy? Where's Mum? This is the twins' pool. And that's our pool. That's for later. We put a shade up on the side to stop the sun. And a roof on the top. Say bye. Bye. Can you blow a kiss? Nah. Can you blow a kiss, Jaden? Bye. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Bye.